Good afternoon, all friends. This is Shilpa here once again from IIMS Pune. Okay, now this video is about Executive MBA for people who are working in the corporates for many years. Okay, now as far as concerned, we are planning for MBA, but we are not able to take a decision whether we should go for full-time MBA or a distance MBA. That part I have cleared in the last video. Now this part, what we are going to clear this video, that we are going to talk about the Executive MBA. Okay, Executive MBA is a 1-year course who has completed plain graduation without any specializations, or anybody can do who have completed a graduation without like it just would have been passed. There is no category for marks as such, right? Now there are two types of MBA. One is Executive MBA, one is 2 years of MBA. The person who is working in a corporate, minimum at least 3 to 4 experience, he can go for Executive MBA. That is the first criteria. He should be having 3 years or 4 years of experience. Now who can do Executive MBA? Executive MBA can be done by the people who are graduate with 3 to 4 years experience and who only wants to work in the corporates, not in the government. Okay, now we know many of 80% people are working in a corporates only on a very good post, a manager, CEO, national labor managers, on anyways what position you have according to your companies. Okay, now what exactly benefit you're going to get with the Executive MBA? Okay, now we know once our promotion will land up, we really miss, I would have got a promotion because I have just completed graduation, but I don't have MBA. Then we plan for MBA once our promotion is on, or like once our promotion is due. Then we thought, अरे हमने MBA किया होता, right? No problem. So there's no time to yet go. There is a time to do it because this is August. Now next promotions will be there in month of March probably, right? Okay, now this is a 1-year MBA. Okay, those who take admissions, they will be doing exam in January and second in July. Exam happens half annually. Okay, exam will be completely online with multiple choice questions and no negative markings. Okay, this university by which you are going to get the Executive MBA is known as Mewar University, Mewar, which is approved by UGC and AICTE, now also with a NAC. Okay, what is the benefit or what are the pros and cons by doing with the Mewar University, and why you should only go with the Mewar University? Okay, first point to clear, Mewar is approved by UGC. UGC is University Grant Commission. If it is approved by UGC, though you can work anywhere, it will work. Second, it is approved by AICTE. Okay, and third base part, it is online. We are going to do complete study online. We are going to give exam online with the multiple choice question. There is nothing to write. Okay, now how we go ahead with the Mewar University? We are going to help you with taking admission with Mewar. We are going to send you after your admission. I've told you the criteria. You should be graduate with minimum 3 years of experience. You have to submit the documents with us. Then within 1 month of time, we are going to send you a mail or within 15 days, we are going to send you a mail online, which we are going to send you a user ID and password. You have to just log in with the user and password. You are going to get a registration number from university. Okay, in that, what it will contain, I'll tell you. It's going to contain a soft copy of the books. You can completely turn like we are actually doing it physically. Soft copy of the books, PowerPoint presentations, it is called as PPT for the books, short notes for the books, and these books can be read orally. These books can be read orally, or you have to just press audio button. That book will automatically read for you. Everything we are giving. Okay. Now second attempt, what we have to go ahead. Exam will be okay. Talking about the books, soft copies were given, hard copies also been given after 1 month. Soft copies are given after 15 days of the joining of the course. Okay. Now till 6 months from today, or when you are taking admissions, you have to come study. Okay, with this we also added a online lectures. We are going to give you a live lecture support fully for you. Okay, these lectures will be fully for you, but if you want, you don't have time according to your time schedule, you can you can see the lectures afterwards also. It will be get pre-recorded. Okay. Now next important point, you understood. I think that much is clear for you. Go ahead. Second stage, after getting books, after getting soft copy books, your role is to only study. Okay. When the exam will be there, before the examination 1 month, you have to complete assignments. Assignments will be having 30 marks, having 30 questions in each subject. Okay, and these subjects will have 15 minimum passing, or 10 is a passing, you can say. For we are taking as a 15 out of 30, you have to get it. Okay, so this is your main assignment part. It will be multiple choice questions, 1 hour, 50% passing is there. Okay, that you have to do online from your home. Next thing, so if you're taking admissions for executive MBA, there will be 12 papers, 6 papers for January batch and 6 papers in July. You can give 6 in Jan, 6 in July. So out of 6, 30, the paper division is 70 for examinations and 30 for assignments. Okay, out of 30 you should get minimum 15 marks, and out of 70 you have to score 40. Now what we help you as such? See, we know we are very much busy. You know we are working. You want to have a good knowledge and you want to good have studies. So what do we do? Before the examinations, we also send you important questions that will help you to get good marks in your exam. Okay, we are able to help you. We are going to give you important questions. Ideally speaking, that will help you to get good score.